To pick an ingredient, scan the QR code to check if it is the right material and hasn't expired. When weighing, scan the QR code on the instruction sheet and select a recipe. Weigh out the instructed amount. Print a label for the weighed out portion while the weighing information is saved in the system. The system will alert you if the ingredient has expired, or is the wrong material, or when the weight is wrong. When feeding the ingredient, scan the QR code to check for errors and log the use. If the ingredient is wrong, the system will alert you to not use it. Register the final product and print out the ID label.